This is Chris, the dive service. We're taking River Marina. We're on the Endevor. Continues 08 25 26 22. Just got that cleared in the boat. This boat has 2 bent props, and the zincs are not tight, and I can't seem to tighten them. So let's go take a look and see how this boat looks.